Safe and Social is about bringing women together in a way that we can all feel safe. This was born in COVID. All of us are entrepreneurs and all of us need each other. So we've created this environment to be able to collaborate and connect and find people that will support our business. It all started because we were trying to figure out how to connect. So I just figured out how to do it myself. So we collaborate and we grow and we learn from each other, and that's what we're trying to foster here. So we had some amazing speakers today. Emily Pantelides, who owns Emily Pantelides PR and Consulting. And Brianna Beatty, she owns Flavor Palm Beach Moms, and also is a co-founder of Let's Get Social Palm Beach. And we got to hear everything about PR and local marketing and finding ways ultimately to come together by learning. So we kept this event very small. So there's 25 people. There was a lot of people. I think the wait list is 12 that couldn't come, but we're really happy how safe and comfortable it felt and really intimate. What comes out of this is ultimately support and love and growth, and that's what we're trying to foster here.